3.
Wow, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alright, today this is the best topic I've ever known in my life. This is very tough, difficult, but I'm going to try and explain about this topic today. The topic today is AI, artificial intelligence, the best humans to robot or not. Alright. I disagree about this statement because, like Japan or Chinese, they create a robot for every human being nowadays because, we have a very good people in this earth. 7 million people in this earth, spirit, billion, spirit, all over the world, over this country, around the world. Indonesia, exactly, 2075 million people population in Indonesia. So, can use people, for work everywhere. You don't have to using a robot. Even though using a robot is important for factory, example is car factory, bike factory, bicycle factory is important. But we have to manage by human being. As human being, it's very important how to help each other. Example, I have a factory. If I use a robot to work in my factory, so where the people goes, where the human goes. So what for as human being nowadays, what for? You have humanity in your life, you have human right, so what for that? So we have to push as human being, we have to push our people to work. We don't have to using robot to work that as human people. Besides that, nowadays, very important for what? For the people. People is very totally help each other. But robot, maybe in future, robot will manage us. If we don't have understanding about robot will manage us. Because even though we create a robot, we have to create a robot to help us. But maybe in future, robot will manage us. And then I don't disagree for robot will replacing human activity. I don't disagree for that because robot created by human, not robot created human, but human created by robot. Alright. Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.